holidays, everyone. This is Shauna Turner of the Shauna Method, and I am here with some holiday organizing tips. The holidays are crazy, right? A lot of stuff comes flooding in, so I've got some tips for you on how to make the holidays smoother. And my first tip has to do with what I call Jingle Wear, right? These are things such as little bells, holiday jewelry, and the ever popular, yes, I'm gonna put it on, Santa hat. So this stuff comes in, sometimes it's party favors, or it comes from as a gift from somebody, or you buy it to wear at Spirit Day at school or whatever. And then it just doesn't have a home. And anytime we have an item without a home, that's a problem. So at the beginning of the season, or starting today, get a container such as a basket. I know there are some basket lovers out there. It can also be a bin or a bag with handles that you can hang on a hook. Put the Jingle Wear inside. Tell the family members this is where Jingle Wear goes. At the end of the season, that can all get packed away with your decorations, and when it comes out next year, put the container back out. So set up a home for Jingle Wear. Happy holidays.